This is Eric Muathe with another educational rethink video, and here we're going to be looking at IPOs and the need for investors to wait for the stock. Instead of buying the stock at the IPO price, it's probably best to wait to see whether the stock can have some trading history and then make some decisions based on the charts after the stock has been trading for a while. So we are looking at a daily chart for King, and when it IPO'd late March of 2014, that was a price there, a price range of lower 20s. The stock would go on to trade lower. So what I'm saying is you're better off waiting for the stock to have some history, and at some point the RSI is going to break out. As you can see in this instant, the breakout level is somewhere here. So once the RSI breaks out, and especially if the RSI can move above 61.8 or above 50, in this particular instant you can see when it moved to new highs, all-time highs on the RSI here, which also corresponded with this move above this short-term wedge. So this was a nice entry. So this is a better entry price than the IPO price because you have something, a backdrop that you can use for entry. So that was a good entry point. If you extend the same entry point line on the RSI, you find that the next time the stock comes and tags the same line, which now becomes support, it also gives you a nice entry point in the stock there. So that would be a nice entry point, another way to go along the stock before it jumps from about 1670 all the way to 23 in a couple of days. And also the next buy point is when it makes another all-time RSI high, and it is in this particular jump here. It also jumps above 61.8. So 61.8 on the RSI, all-time high breakout on the RSI. So your entry point is going to be somewhere here, or you can actually even, so this entry point here, or the RSI and the price breaking out to short-term highs, entry point there. So either way, that's a buy signal. And recently you can see there was another buy signal when the stock bounced off the new buy point line here, extended. So once you found support here, there was also reason to go long here, short term, especially if you're a day trader. Now, if you can find the RSI breaking out to all-time highs, and also if you can find in this MACDs also breaking out to all-time highs, so these 2 points here on the MACDs breaking out to all-time highs are buy points because they also correspond with the RSI breakout here. And you can see the MACD breakout to all-time highs here also corresponded with a nice all-time RSI breakout. So that was a confirmation of a buy signal. And you can see the main MACD breaking out here to all-time highs also corresponded with this entry price here before the stock jumped. So the MACDs and the RSI confirming that the stock, which has now some trading history or some trading data, is a buy because they are moving to all-time highs. So that would be the best way to approach an IPO, as opposed to buying the IPO outright when the stock comes public. Eric Muathe, good luck, peace, and blessings. I am out. Woo!